Hi friends, so your washing machine is done and you're ready to unload it, but you're very disappointed because you find out that the clothes are still soaked in water, and what's even worse, they're not clean as they should be. And what could be the problem? The problem could be that the filter is clogged. So what you have to do is take it out, clean it, and put it back. It's very important to check your filter every now and then. Yeah, that's very important. So when you're putting it back and twisting it clockwise, make sure that it's tight enough. Yeah, so this is how you close it, this is how you open it. So let's go back a little bit. So when you're when you're twisting it anti-clockwise to take out the filter, it might be harder to come out sometimes because it could be that some dirt is trapping it, and so you need to pull it a little bit harder, and then it should be able to come out. And so that's it for this video. See you next time.